I can't get it out. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, it's not gonna work. It's gotta stay in there. Sorry. You're stuck, Kayla.
Damn.
That's what you get for sticking your bag in my can. Trying to make it sound not sexual, okay? It's not working. It's just every time you get a stick and a hole, you know, you gotta put the two pieces together. Or else you get two lonely people. Two lonely people are not fun, okay?